restarting is not even a difficult task for me because I've always lived a humble life.
Mm-hmm.
You know, service to people is what makes me feel complete
Yeah.
rather than, stacking up on assets and living lavishly.
I've been asking my listeners to give me 3 reasons why the JLP won and the PNP lost. I want you to give me 3 reasons why the PNP lost and the JLP won.
The first is the PMP had no message. They continue to hammer the Prime Minister and the whole integrity report not being certified, and no one was, hearing what is to come. There was no hope for the future, and the PMP kept on. Their messaging was off when they spoke about doom and gloom on the country. And while we as Jamaicans felt, much safer with crime going down, we are feeling, the economy in our pockets, with the tax breaks, the compassionate grants and so on and so forth.